Hello! This week in my mini, I'm going to use this sampler from the Gootzie, I hope I pronounced that right, Gootzie Project. You know, I tried to keep the layouts in here fairly simple, that way I got plenty of room to write, and I just thought this was so pretty. And it says, higher and higher she went, then she realized if she let go, if she just let go, she could fly. Had a planner sticker and butterflies, so it just seemed like it was perfect for my social media planner. From Three Tiny Bows, I wanted to use this quote. It says, be thankful for what you have, be fearless for what you want. And the colors are pretty close. I mean, they're not exactly similar, but they'll work. And I do PR for her, and that code is TTBVANNESSA to save 20%. So the links and everything will be below. I have a few more left over from her spring sampler kit. I wanted to use some of the flowers off here. And then from Brianna Nicole Designz, I do PR for her. She tends to run sales. I always post on my Instagram, which is at Vanessa76. Make sure you follow along there to catch all her sales. And again, the link will be posted down below. So I've got the Bold Traveler's Notebooks. I thought the colors went well. Got the post to social media, and I got the YouTube icons. So, and then the clips I'm using is, this one is from Threadhead Designs. It's the little Playing With Me clip. And this one is from Clip It Crafts. I just thought the cute little smiling cloud would look good. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to put the main ones in first. If I not have them fall down. And then the dates, let's see here, because I don't have dates, so we'll just write them in. I thought the yellow glitter pen would look nice. And these are just Dollar Tree pens that I love. But I think they come out and the ink is so pretty and glittery. I hope you can see that. You do have to give them a little bit of time to dry. So there's all the dates in. And I'm going to use these to mark my posting days. I will use this one on Sunday because it's the day that I do a lot of my posting and, you know, getting everything ready for my weekly post. Oh, oops, got a little carried away there. I accidentally ripped it. So, we'll put this part in, and then we'll just line this up. But it happens. See, it all worked out. It went back together, no problem. Oops. Well, I'm having one of those days. Droppy, fingers droppy. So down here, since I don't have an IG sticker, I'm just going to write IG in here with my yellow. And then I'm going to use the yellowy green one for the YouTube, which I do have a YouTube icon. So we'll just put it right on there. Put these other couple little labels in here. for a couple other little things I need to do this week. I do love these butterfly stickers. I just think they are so pretty. I have to say, decorating is usually one of my favorite parts of planning. And there is no right or wrong way. It is totally your call and up to you. And they're a little bit off the page, but it's just the colored part, so it's all right. And I got some postings to do here. And I adore plants. I have put quite a few out in my garden. Gotta have coffee on Monday. Always gotta have coffee. Those in there. Then my post to social media, which I tend to do 3 days a week unless I have an extra one. Like I said, I love flowers, so I tend to add a lot of them in. Alrighty. I think that is my spread for this week. I hope you like it. It's like I said, I keep it simple. I have found that I like more room to write in this planner. You know, if you have any questions, leave them below, and be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you like the video, I'd appreciate it, and be sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.